In this video, I will show you the simplest method of making him respect you and admire you the way you deserve. I know it feels really rough to be disrespected and mistreated by the one you chose to be with. Maybe you feel like you have to put up some standards and stop him from doing anything he wants. Or maybe he has so much control over you he has become negative and toxic. Or maybe you're tired of him treating you like you're not important. Whatever the reason is, in this video, you will learn the critical reason why you should make him respect you and make sure not to lose it. 3 effective and simple steps to get him to genuinely respect you. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to give you a really big mistake that women accidentally do that will push men away from you. So, to be certain that you don't do that, make sure to stick till the end. But before that, if you like videos about preventing your relationship from fading away and experiencing the magical relationship you've always dreamed of, subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell. Also, I have a free swipe file of 5 phrases you can say to any man to make him addicted to you in the description down below. Okay, let's get into the video. The critical reason why you should make him respect you. When a man feels too confident and when he feels like he has so much power, he becomes toxic and negative. You might hear people say if we give too much of something, you will receive the same amount. But in a relationship, if you give too much, you will not receive. If you give too much to a man, the only thing you will receive is a lack of respect. So you should always make sure not to lose his respect, because that will cause some serious damage to your relationship and to you. So, what can you do to make him respect you? Number 1, enforce your standards with actions rather than words. Oftentimes, when something is bugging us, we talk to our guy about it and say that this is important to me, and I want this to change. And the guy may change for a week or 2, but then he goes back to the way he was. And when this happens, most of the women sit him down again and start to talk about that again. But what that really says is that you're not serious about that. This can be anything. If you want him to text more often, you would say that you want him to text you. But when he stops texting you again, then you shouldn't text and start the conversations either. This will show him that you are true to your standards, and he will lose you if he doesn't care. Number 2, don't cancel your plans for him. To get a guy's respect, you should learn to respect yourself first. So as soon as you start to see a guy, don't clear your whole schedule and make time only for him. He is instantly going to think that you don't respect yourself because you're willing to give all your time away to someone immediately. So, show him that you've got a wonderful life without him too. Do the things you normally do until he earns his way into your life. If you do this, he will start to respect you and he would want to become a part of your life. Number 3, be willing to walk away. Like I've said before, he will only respect you if you respect yourself. A high-value woman doesn't put his respect below love. She would walk away if he mess up, if he disrespects her, or if he mistreats her. So, even though she loves him, she would walk away because she won't allow what doesn't come to her standards. This is a key to earning a guy's respect, because he has to be a little unsure that if he mistreats you, you will walk away. So, make sure not to be desperate and be willing to walk away. Okay, so those are the 3 steps, and since you've stuck with me till the end, I'm going to give you a big mistake that women make that pushes men away. And that is insulting the things he loves. Men normally don't go around gushing about the things they love. They usually communicate in more subtle ways, so it is hard to figure out. Whenever you feel like he loves something, make sure not to say harsh things about those, because it will make him irritated. Men really do not like others saying bitter things about the things they love. Okay, but you have to understand, getting him to respect you is not enough to create an everlasting special relationship. You need to make him addicted to you. So that's why I've put together a free swipe file of 5 untold phrases you can say to any man to make him addicted to you in the description down below. And those are not just simple concepts, those are exact phrases you can say to a man to make him truly addicted to you. So make sure to get your free download in the description. And if you want more videos about women's relationships, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.